Hi Rinku, how are you?
Good, good, good.
How's your burnout? Let me ask you this first.
Okay, yeah, and that's our conversation that we are having today. So I am almost there. I think I'm almost reaching my threshold of burnout. So it's a good time to talk about it.
Yes, so today, everyone, we are going to be talking about a buzzword which I think all of us are aware of. It is known as burnout. We all go through this, so let's understand it much more. Let's have a conversation only on this today.
Yes, and wait till the end of this talk to know about the acronym ICE. What's our ICE pack, secret ICE pack that we're going to disclose to help you coming out of this burnout?
Yes.
So, Archana, let's begin with our conversation. Tell me, when we talk of burnout, what is that we want to cover today? We want to talk about what are the early signs of burnout. And for me, some of the early signs of burnout are when my number of cups of tea and coffee increases in the day. I definitely sleep less. I'm less productive, easily distractible, and for sure more easily irritable. So these and there's some pain points here and there, some pain that I feel in the body here and there, and those are my early signs. And I know I'm just reaching that threshold of my burnout. How about you?
I can totally understand the ones that you've been going through. Quite a few are same as what happens with me as well. However, for me, I go silent. I am really in my zone where I really don't want to interact with people, or I just go very, 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 very shallow in my zone. Again, I don't sleep, but I do hide in my structure, which could be inside the blanket or inside the room where I just don't want to see anybody. All right, cup of coffees do increase. Besides that, I think a lot of, I would not say aches, but there's a lot of discomfort in the body, which is like I can't sit for very long at one place. So it's the movement is continuous movement is there. So I think these are few of my signs that I come to know that Archana, now you need to slow down.
Sure. So why are we talking about these early signs, Archana? Because I think the point that we're trying to make here is that once you have reached that peak of your burnout, there's no easy way returning back because you've already lost your energy, already gone through that pain, and your productivity has gone for a toss, and you're only going to recover from all the pile that you're creating while you're being
True.
less productive and burning out completely.
Yeah.
So I think why we need to know the early signs is because that's the time that you can really work on it.
Yeah.
And I can correlate it to help people understand it easier. It's about just think of a laptop, and sometimes you press a restart button. That's a quick start of your system. However, sometimes you have to force it shut down, and that's the burnout stage you don't want to be because you don't want to
True.
force yourself shut down and take a vacation and pack everything and just take a break because you're going to come
Yeah.
back to the same place again. So that's a repeat cycle. So what you need to do is before you reach that stage of complete damage, you got to be knowing of and being aware of your early signs and restart your system when it can be managed. So I think that's why we're talking about early signs. And I think I also understand, and one of the other point I want to bring up here is that when we know that there are early signs of burnout, there could be different reasons to it. So there's no
Yes.
one size fits all kind of a remedy here, right, for burnout.
Absolutely. In this, probably the
So,
burnout that I feel, I might have different ways to overcome it. For you, it might be different. And so it goes for everybody. There is no one fixed medicine for this. And also understanding that this is a psychological problem and we need to address it. We can't say that it has happened and let it heal on its own, take some self care routine. It is different.
yeah.
Our body would recover with different parameters for different people.
Yeah, and how often do we hear, Archana, that people say, "Oh, I'm going to take it. I wish I could go to Caribbean island right now, sit next to the beach, have my sip of whatever drink I enjoy, and that will take away all my worries." Or
Yes.
we also hear now people are very fond of the term meditation, and I will sit for a meditation, and I hopefully magically everything will go away.
Right.
While these remedies work, but it depends a lot on what is the source of your burnout. So, for example,
True.
if I am burning out because of work, so what we're raising here is that there could be different reasons for burnout, and that needs to be addressed before you try and
Yes.
work through it. So there
So
is no one solution.
yes. So understanding the sources that you're talking about, Rinku, so sources could be different for different people, right? So I would
Absolutely.
identify sources could be like societal, it could be financial, it could be physical, it could be emotional, so spiritual, as you're talking
It
about. So
could be
it could be
academic.
different. Yes, academic, very, very important aspect with children these days.
For
So
me, it is social media. Like I'm getting burnt out because of that, because that's new thing to me, and I'm trying to do different things. In the spirit of chasing one task after another, you try do things mindlessly sometimes, and that
true.
reaches you to a point where you are clueless and you feel lost, and then ultimately burning out. So
Absolutely.
okay, so let's disclose the acronym ICE for people so that we know better how to handle the burnout situation. Correct?
Yes. So acronym ICE is something that is very, very dear to us because we only invented it today morning. So I want you to start with, Rinku. Go with the I.
Okay, so I stands for identifying the early signs of burnout. People know your burnout before you reach that peak. Just know the early signs. So for me, it is pain here and there, and whatever I said in the beginning of the video. So we must identify the early signs of burnout. C
All
to you.
right. Okay. Going to see, I think that is something related to the cause. So know the cause which is causing you that burnout. Is it physical? It is emotional? Is it spiritual? Is it workload? Is it academic? Anything. Once you know the cause, it's easier for you to reach the solution. So that's how it is.
Yes. And there comes our E, which is erase your causes. So, so there is no vaccination here for burnout, but what we can definitely say is that if you identify the early signs, if you know the causes, probably your method and you will know better how to handle it. So if I'm again taking that same example, if I'm burning out because of my work, then I need to sit back, sip a cup of coffee, which I enjoy, and try and understand which part of work is bothering me and which is making me tired, and then try and maybe redefine my goals or replan my stuff, have calendar my things better. There could be so many solutions to it, but not necessarily sit on a meditation immediately because I'm now tired and it will take away my worries.
Absolutely. So this acronym really sounds amazing to me. I'm going to place it right in front of my wall also because I think as much as we know about it, as I say, the more we practice, the better we get with adopting certain things. So yes.
Yes, and this reminds me of our early childhood days when, we used to have a bird or something in our hand or wherever. Our moms used to wash it with clean water, with ice, with cold water, not really applying ice. While we are recommending here ice, which means something different. But what we are saying is don't let it burn completely, because if you put ice on when you have reached a burnt out state and on a severe burn, it's not going to help, it's going to damage further. So only when you have minor burns, you have early appearances of it, just wash it off with this ice pack that we have recommended and you will be fine.
So perfect. Here we are leaving you with the ice pack for you for every situation. Please subscribe to our channel if you still haven't, because we'll be coming out with such topics again and again and again. So don't miss out. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.